Hello my dear students, this is the previous year question paper of ICMR Assistant Group B examination. So even if you are not a student who is preparing for this examination, this set of questions will definitely help you in other competitive examinations also, like SSC CHSL, SSC CGL and other similar level examination. You can definitely expect these level of questions for SSC CGL phase 1 tier 1 examination and also for SSC CHSL examination. So please don't skip this video even if you are not preparing for the ICMR Group B examination. So let's come directly to the first question. Find the odd one out. Option A winter squash, option B pumpkin, option C cucumber, option D corn. Answer is option D corn. Then the next one is also finding the odd one out. Question number 60. Here the answer is option number C, Goa. Coming to the other question. 61. Find the odd one out. Here it's also option number D is the correct answer. Coming to the 62nd question. Finding the odd one out. Answer is option C, peel. Coming to the next question. If in a certain code coffee is written as FRIIHH, then how will noodles be written in that code? It's actually something related to this coding. It's very easy. Practice it more and make it more easier for you. Answer is option D. Coming to the next question, 64th question. I hope you are trying to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer. I will be saying that after 2 or 3 seconds and will give a detailed analysis for the examination. Answer is option C, 74. Coming to the next question, question number 65. Just read out the question and find out the answer. Here the answer is option C. Coming to the next question. If in a certain code is written as, then how will be written in that code? So it's all related to coding. Try to find it out. Students' answer is option B. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Coming to the next one. Find the wrong group in the given series. You have to find out the wrong group from this given series. Try to find it out. Answer is option B. So students, if I am reading this question paper, you can pause this video and find out the answer and then you can play. That's better. I don't want to spend this time between questions because you can use the pause option. Coming to the question number 68. Completing the series. Try to find it out. Answer is option C, FL. Coming to the next question. Completing the series. Answer is option C. Question number 70. That's also completion of series. Try to find it out, students. It's all not that much difficult questions. These are very basic questions. So I hope you have found out. So yes, what's the answer? Answer is option C. Coming to the next question. A cube is painted on all the faces and is contained to 125 cubes of equal size. How many cubes will not have paint on any face? What's the answer for that? So how we are going to find it out? Yes, you can discuss it later. Either you can discuss it later on the comment section or can inbox me. So the answer is option C, 27. So let's look into the next one. Answer question number 72. What fraction of the figure is shaded in the given figure? So what's the answer, students? So answer is option B, 3 by 8. Coming to the next question. Pavitra told Rupesh, the girl I met yesterday at the beach was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. How is the girl related to Pavitra's friend? So have a thorough check with it. So related to this blood relation. So very easy questions. You can find it out in with less than 30 seconds. So what's the answer here? Just tell me. Answer is option C, cousin. Question number 74. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the woman related to this man's father? Either students draw the tree diagram, or you can even calculate it in your mind. You do not have to go to such complications or anything like that. Answer is option D, daughter. Coming to the next question. In this question, a statement is given followed by two conclusions. Choose the conclusions which best fits logically. Statement. From the next academic year, students will have the option of dropping mathematics and social for their school leaving certificate examination. Conclusion is students who are weak in science and mathematics will be benefited. Earlier students did not have the choice of continuing their education without taking mathematics and social subjects. So what's it, students? So you can spot out the error or anything like that in the question. Actually, you can spot it out what's wrong here or anything like that. So please have a look at it. The answer is option B. So very important questions and also simple. So please have a look into that. Coming to the 76th question. This is also something that related with the statement and conclusion. So you have to figure it out. I will be saying the answer now for the moment because I don't want to waste your valuable time. You all are eagerly preparing for these examinations. Answer is option B. Coming to the next question. It's also same statement and conclusion. You have to spot out the correct answer from here. Answers actually neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Option C. Coming to the question number 78. In this question, a statement is given followed by two conclusions. Choose the conclusion or conclusions which best fit logically. Statement. In a one-day cricket match, the total runs made by a team were 200. Out of these, 160 runs were made by spinners. So conclusion, two conclusions are there. Actually, here students, the answer is option D. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Coming to the next question, question number 79. This you have to find out which is the figure that best continues the series given below. The series continuation in the figure you have series continuation in the figure you have to spot it out. Answer is option C. Coming to the next question. Choose from given alternatives the figure which best completes the pattern given below. Students, I hope you all have done it. Answer is option D. It's all are very easy questions, so try to do it. So again, coming to question number 81. Choose the figure that represents the relationship among the classes given below. Diesel, petrol, fuel. All are fuel and diesel and petrol are different. So the answer is option A. There's the fuel is here, petrol is here, diesel is inside. So it's a very easy question. There is nothing to think about it or anything like that. Coming to question number 82. Parliament, Council of Ministers, Prime Ministers. How it is coming? So inside Parliament, Council of Ministers and Prime Ministers is coming, right? So inside of Parliament, Prime Minister is coming. Inside Prime Minister, Council of Ministers. So coming to the question number 82. Parliament, Council of Ministers, Prime Ministers. See how they are interconnected. Parliament, Council of Ministers, Prime Minister. So how it's coming? Coming to question number 82. Parliament, Council of Ministers, Prime Minister. That is very clear. How will be the diagram be coming? Parliament. Yes, these two will be coming in like this. So the answer is option D. There is nothing more to think like that. Coming to the next question. Question number 83. The two different positions of a dice are given below. What will be the number of dots in the face opposite to the face with two dots? Answer is option B, 3. Choose the figure that most closely resembles the mirror image of the given figure. So what's it? Mirror image means this must come here, and hands like so. You can spot it out from these two things. Answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Question number 85. That is with the direction and all. You can easily find it out. There is no need to much discussion and all. When 10 kilometers south, then turned east and covered 10 kilometer, and then again turned right, and after completion left to reach which direction is the point. The answer is option B, southeast. Southeast is the answer, right, students? Just read it, draw it, and find out the answer. That is all regarding it. Question number 86. Ram and Prem start from a point simultaneously. Ram moves to the east and travels 2 km, and Prem moves to the south and travels 2 km. So students, you can see that here 90 clockwise and anti-clockwise. Only you have to know what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise. So which is clockwise and which is anti-clockwise? Clockwise means just see, C is written like this, give an arrow. That's how clockwise. So that's how you have to find it out. Coming to the question number 86. How you are going to find it? So students, you can see that in this question, clockwise and anti-clockwise is given. So you only have to know what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise means when C is written, just like the direction is like this. Give an arrow to the C. That's it. So this is the clockwise direction and this is the anti-clockwise direction. So that is what we have to know. So you will be getting the answer as option D, both in southeast direction. Coming to question number 87. A puppy was facing east and walked for 10 meters again this direction question. The answer is option A, north. There are 4 points A, B, C and D. B is to the west of A. That's also, students, it's all very easy. Answer will be option C, northeast. Northeast is the answer. Coming to the next question, question number 89. Meera earns rupees 10 per hour and Charu earns rupees. How many hours would Charu need to work to equal? So from time of work portion is that? It's a very simple question. Answer is option D. 30 is the answer. Okay, students. Coming to the 90th question. A phone company charges rupees 2 for the first 5 minutes of a phone call and 30 paise per minute thereafter. If Ram makes a phone call that lasts 25 minutes, what will be the total cost of the phone calls? So what is it, students? Actually the answer here is option A, rupees 8. 91 question. 5 years ago, this related to this age relation. So how we are going to do it? So the final answer you will be getting is 20 years of age. Okay. Coming to the question number 92. So students, I don't have to explain all these things because these all are very basic, and if you have any doubt, you can refer to any text or any reference book. These model questions are already being done there thousands of times, so you do not have to keep anything special regarding it. So the answer for 92nd question. 2 shops, which one makes 3 times as many cakes as the other. If the shops plus how many cake, that's also with the time and work you can easily find out. If there's a relation P1H1D divided by D1, so you know that how to solve it, W1 by W2. So apply those formula, and if the work is not given, the formula will be PHW. So try to solve it like that. That will be very helpful. I know you all know these things, and if needed I will be adding this on our channel regarding classes, so please mention if you need these classes or not, because I am ready with the notes and all. I will be uploading it on a new playlist. So here the answers will be option B, 3 is the answer. Come into question number 93rd. Anu, Sunil, Dinesh. So what's the answer? When you solve it, students, you will be getting Naveen as the answer, option D. Coming to the next question. Who is the tallest as well as the fattest in the group? You will be getting the answer as option B, Sunil. Coming to the next question. If they are arranged according to their height, who will be in the middle? Answer is option A, Anu. Next question. Who among the following is fatter than Naveen but not as tall as Naveen? Answer is option A, Raj. Coming to the next question. Read the following information carefully and answer the following given question. This is also regarding this arrangement, how you are going to do it. Answer is here. The answer is option B, Suresh. Coming to the next question. Sitting to the right of Ganesh. Answer is option C, Ajay, Gobi, Kishore and Kumar. Coming to the next question. Read the following information carefully and answer the question given below. It's also very easy, students. So you will be getting the answer. Actually, it is which of the following is true in the above seating arrangement. So the final answer you are getting it is Shiva is sitting between Deepan and Suresh. So that's what in this answer. Coming to the 100th and the final question. It's actually interchanging the positions. All you have to do is what you have got in the diagram. You just have to interchange it. You have to cut that abbreviation. If it's G and A, just cut it and interchange it and write here. And now check it. Please don't calculate this in mind because the chances are that you will be getting it wrong. So please strike it the old one and write it here. You will be getting the final answers as Kishore and Bala, option B. Hope this video was effective. Please subscribe if you like it and share this video with your friends. Also, please like this video if you like it. Thank you for the being. We will be seeing you on another video. So please have your opinion regarding the classes, mathematics. I will be planning to create a simple playlist that includes all the important formulas and explanation so that you can use it just before a day before examination or all. You can go through a quick revision. You do not have to need any of the in notebooks or anything like that. You do not have to prepare a note. You just have to go through the playlist and play it. Okay. So that's regarding this video. Thank you, friends. Thank you.